For a home that ticks all of the boxes, where all of the hard work has been done, you cannot go past 54 Snook Crescent in Hilton. You see here we've got a beautiful weatherboard cottage, great front yard, mature trees, and all of the renovations have been completed. This home just oozes character from the moment you walk through the front door. The open plan living is a fantastic place to entertain with friends and family, or spread out all the way out to the backyard as well. There's plenty of space to enjoy here, or for a young family to grow on an over 440 square metre Survey Strata lot. This home has a great feel, but you really must come along and experience it for yourself. This is one of Hilton's best properties made available this year, so make sure you do not miss out on having a look at 54 Snook Crescent in Hilton and make it yours today.